I've always wondered what it's like to be alone on a deserted island. I am fortunate enough to have a comfortable life. I never knew true hunger or thirst, and I usually take those things for granted. But today, I'm stepping into the unknown and test my survival skills. February 28, I set sail direction a remote island in Queensland, Australia, where I will be staying for the next 6 days with no food, no water, and few basic tools. I am going in with no plan, only relying on my instincts and a little knowledge on bush tucker. So I've been walking for hours trying to find the best spot where I can shelter, and I think this beach is pretty good because there is a boat that sank not long ago and there is so much stuff on the beach. No way! So much stuff! Look what I found! I have them my side. I think it's it. Ah, that's insane! We have some water, I hope it's fresh, sunscreen, and a little bucket, so this we're gonna definitely take. So I'm gonna be taking those, and I will come later collect more things. I feel fabulous. There is like this ace key. I'm just gonna put it straight and hopefully she's gonna catch me some water. So I have like this plastic tap. I'm gonna try to make something to collect the rainwater. I'm pretty tired, so I'm not doing something too fancy here. But tomorrow I'm gonna try to do something a little bit better than that. There we go. I think if the survivor guys see me, they're gonna be like, what? But that's what I come with. Hopefully the water will just drip and go in. And I will get some water tomorrow. So far, so wet. It's really wet, but yeah, I think I need to do something else with my shelter. Maybe lower. Let's see if I'm gonna be able to sleep tonight, not sure. I had a terrible night, not the best. I was freezing, it was raining on top of me. Yeah, I'm really happy about my water here. There's a lot of sands too. I decided to change camp. I'm gonna finally come here because here I have just more headspace. And I think here I can make my shelter a little bit more protected. There is no... Yesterday I realized that there was so much wind coming in. So I think this area will be much better because there is this big tree. So yeah, today I'm gonna be cleaning, moving all the leaves.
I'm done with installing my tap to catch my water. So I just put a hole in there, and I'm just gonna put this tap that I found on the beach with this. I'm gonna dig it in the ground like that, it's safe, and just try to catch as much water as I can. I'm gonna have a quick rinse. I'm gonna go for a little walk, try to find something to eat because I'm starving. The sea state is pretty bad at the moment. There's a lot of current and it's pretty dirty. Like you can see, it's like sharky. So I'm not gonna go today. I found some prickly pears. There's a porcupine. Some goats. Oh, we're going in a bush. So much ants, sandflies. But today it's really hard. Oof, my feet are so wound. Yeah, yesterday I got lost in a forest. Oh my gosh, I'm in a mess. I managed to came back to my camp, but like it was really late, like I think maybe it was like 10 p.m. Just like walking in a forest at night, it was just awful. I'm gonna use this stick to make a spear. I took off all the edges, make it like as smooth as possible. Then I'm just gonna come burn it, and after I'm just gonna turn it to make it as straight as possible.
I was starting to realize that foraging for food was harder than what I thought.
I did that for today. I can see there is fair bit of school of fish around, but I definitely need more training, and I need my skill to be a little bit better because it's keep falling off.
Frustrated, I decided to change tactic and try spearfishing. Once in the water, the murky visibility and strong currents quickly dashed my hopes, leading me to question my ability to endure on this environment.
Didn't catch anything, but I didn't try hard enough, and to be honest, I'm a little bit scared.
The following day, I decided to go for a walk and try to find something substantial to eat on land, because so far I wasn't too lucky at sea.
It's so loud. There is food bags everywhere. Yeah, because this tree is full of figs, so that they all here for the figs. And me too. I think we're gonna make some nice jam tonight. I'm home! Oh my gosh. So did a big walk, pretty happy with everything that I've collected. So I'm gonna go and have a big brunch slice breakfast with a little bit of variety. And look at those coconuts, I got 2. That's all what I can carry. Everything that we collect is a beautiful coconut. We have some fig here, different kind. We have a bush lemon, palm tree fruit. That I'm gonna make a tea with it because the flowers are really sweet. Then we have the leaves, so I'm gonna make a salad, but first you need to bleach them. First of all, I'm gonna make the jam. Woo! Looks pretty yummy, to be honest. So I have my little rice with my leaf, my chili and everything. Here I have my damper, my little jam and my tea. From what to start? Let's start from the jam. I'm really happy. So let's see my damper. Oh, that looks really good. So I can't believe everything comes from the bush. Oh. No, but seriously. Let's try my tea now. Wow. Basically it's a tea. It's just like you feel the lemon completely and the flower, you don't feel that. It just brings a sweetness. That's not too bad. It's not the best, but it's eatable. Definitely eatable. So now it's pretty crazy because all I'm doing pretty much all day is just, I have my little habit now around the camp, and it's just looking for food constantly. I'm just like an animal. Every time I see something, I'm like, fuck, can you eat it? Every time. All right, let's get this fish. Up. So that's gonna be enough for 2 for me tonight. Nice! I'm so happy. So the sun is going down. Sorry for the noise though. The eagle to catch a fish. I don't know if you could see, but his fish was pretty big comparatively to mine. Like if he dropped it, look at him, he's there. I don't know if you can see the fish though. Show us your fish! So I made my little fire for my smoking. So I'm gonna smoke the 2 fish. So I'm gonna build up a little frame around my fire, and I'm gonna just cover the whole structure with green leaves just to really focus on the smoke. There is so much fly. So after I just took 2 green branches, just gonna dispose my fishes on it. Up. I don't want to waste anything, but I'm gonna have to get rid of the spine, I guess. Today I decided to take it easy. Yesterday I had plenty of food, so I'm just gonna go to the other beach, the one next to this one, like eat a coconut for breakfast and then have a little snorkel. I find it way easier to open the coconut with the teeth. They always say once you have the first one, after it's easy. Never easy for me, eh? So this is the eyes and that's the mouth, and we have to hit it on top. You want some? The sea taste looks really good. Gonna eat that and go straight for a little snorkel.
As time passed, I found myself growing increasingly comfortable in my surroundings, settling into a daily routine within my camp. Hand spearing became a favorite pastime, and I managed to catch 2 more fish.
The fish with the fig leaves, the soup, and a little damper.
As my little adventure drew to a close, I couldn't help but feel a profound sense of gratitude for having experienced it. It rejuvenated me and made me feel truly alive.